looking for a bone. Find a bad bitch that's good at giving dome. Shot across the city, wanna put me on. Sounded kinda fishy, but I keep the burner on. Don't know it, but I'm 11 niggas have it. That pussy look elastic, and I know the hair fantastic. Out the door, I'm a bold ass bastard. About to blow a gasket, jumped in the car, gassed it. Played it off, real smooth, how are you? Then I hit the bedroom, fucking no balloon. And it stayed cool, I ain't had to use the tool. Call a little witch, cause she riding on my broom. Feed it out the box, pretty little fox. Told me pull it out and let me get some top. Later text my kids and she still ain't stopped. Then with my watch, it's about 6 o'clock. Girl, we gotta stop, then why she get on top? Yeah, you got the water, glad a nigga holler. Girl, come with me, we bout to chase a dollar. Putting on my clothes, fixing up my collar. Looking at her pictures, found out she was a scholar. Started off local, then found a way to Harvard. Shit got comfy, all the shit I just learned. Should've known here it was gonna take a turn. Gotta hit the door, know I grabbed my Glock. Just at the spot, now she wanna stop. Says she wants some food, what you wanna do? Yeah, I know a spot, and the waiter real cool. The phone blowing up, think it's boy Lou. She play him as a fool, can't snitch as a rule. And I'm paranoid, so I leave that bitch in neutral. Rockin' dark shades, got me feeling like I'm Future. Hopped out, super fly. She said I stay inside, ain't scared down the ride. What up, G? 2 meals, extra crispy. Shawty got her ass down, leave a nigga dizzy. The upper face was froze, looked over, saw the chrome. Boy, that thing was shining and it's aiming at my dome. Shit, I gotta laugh, know my ass is grass. Let me shut my eyes before I hear this blast. Damn, I heard the sound, but I can still feel my brow. Open up my eyes, see shorty standing proud. A boy on the ground with a hole in his crown. Looking at her face and I don't see a frown. She got the purple Glock with a dick in the top. Damn, this bitch bad, so we dip into the spot. She sucking on the drive, know we getting high. Gripping on the thigh, she looking at the sky. Yeah, them boys lame, why you running with them guys? Nah, fuck that shit, they can really eat a dick. Then the shorty wild and she really with the shit. Got the code to the phone, but I keep 2. I'm just fucked up cause it's the same too. Hit the bedroom, do what we do. Hopping out the bed, gotta take a leak. What you about to do? She ain't even speak. Peeked around the corner, shot what I see. Safe wide open, her smartest gets the key. Diving for my stash, really about to spaz. Thought I had a pass, shit must've been a trap. The money in the lap, I had a heart attack. Damn, with my Mac, I'm looking at my stacks. She sits there and laughs, you really showed your ass. That smile's made of glass, looked in my eyes and blast.